welcome back to my channel. My eyes are still healing from surgery, so I don't have any makeup on, but I just can't seem to stay away from making videos. And mostly because I got my Boxycharm basic box today, or base box I should say, and I loosened the tape, but I have not unpacked it yet because I was waiting to unpack it with you. Yay! So here we go. Let's see. And again, this is the base box that I got. I should be getting a premium box as well. So look for the video on that. Here is the card with it. Looks like the theme is sunshine. And let's get ready to rock and roll. And I feel like I need some glasses. So 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I just feel like I need for the small print, especially to read off stuff. So, yeah. That goes along with being a little bit more mature. Let's see. First thing I'm pulling out of the box is by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Eye mask. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Huh. I have not tried anything from Grace and Stella, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. Let's see what it says on the card, because it does give you information on that. It says, suffering from dark circles, puffy eyes, bags, fine lines, general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. Well, we all want that, right? And its retail price is $21. And again, the base box is $25. So with one product already, I've almost got my money back. Let's see, next thing up is 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. It's 20 milliliters, so 0.68 fluid ounces. It's by Dr. Y. Alexandrides, MD. It's reparative. Okay, let's read about this. Tickled nose. A daytime booster to fortify your skin from against harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light that comes from your computer pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. And the retail value, oh my God. The retail value of this is $135. Holy crap. That's not something I would have bought on my own. So, but I am going to look forward to trying that once my eyes are healed. Oh my gosh. So next thing out of here, it's covered with bubble wrap, is, it's the Pure Festival Eyeshadow Palette. 12 pigments. Let's see. Let's take a look at that. I've only tried one palette from Pure. I wasn't like overly excited about it, but I have to admit I've only tried it once or twice, so I probably need to give it a better look. And I can't open this box to save my life. Holy crap. That's what happens when you unbox on your video. Sometimes you can't get stuff open. Wow. And it is tight in the box too. Whew. They make you struggle for it. The packaging is really cool. They call it 2.0, Festival 2.0. Ooh, these colors are kind of pretty. So there's the colors. Hopefully you can see those pretty good. I can try and swatch them for you too. Ooh. I'm going to swatch the top 4 here. Just to give you an idea of those. Can you see that? I should have done it on my other arm. I'm right-handed, so this doesn't really work right well. Apparently, I'm not doing this well. Let's try this again, and we're going to try it on my, maybe we'll try it on my hand. I'm going to try the second row this time. It's a little bit, ooh. The first color I'm trying here is a little bit kind of, a little kickback there. Ooh. Wow. So this is the second row. See, I swatched better that time. I'm not, so that's this second row here. And then the next row, let's try that. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, duh. I should have wiped off my fingers from the first try because I mixed colors. No wonder it looks so interesting. Oh my gosh. I gotta clean up the pan too because I got that pink color in there. Oh my gosh. Thank goodness for makeup wipes. And then I keep them right by here. I'm trying to clear off the rest of the shadow from my fingers so that I can get good swatches for you. Okay, here we go again. There, that's better. Ooh. They are highly pigmented. They feel, gosh, how do I describe it? There's the other one. Isn't that pretty? I probably should really do the first one again for you so that you can see it better, because I didn't do that very well, I'm afraid. So let me swatch that too. But yeah, they feel almost kind of grainy, chunky, kind of. I don't know. I'm going to have to try them on to really see. I don't know if you can see those. The first two are a shimmer, very light shimmers, and then you've got that kind of a tan, they call it photo op. And the last one, Dreamland, that peachy color. So yeah, that's those. I'll give them a try and I'll do a review for you. I'll probably break out that other palette from Pure that I got. I think that was also from Boxycharm, and we'll check them out and see what I really think of them. Like I said on my first try, I wasn't overly impressed. They do stay on good. I'm trying to rub them off with a makeup wipe and they're sticking good. Okay, so that's that, and I have one more thing here. Only one more? Let me see. Yep, one more. I think I'm missing something. Oh, here we go. I was going to say you usually get 5 things. So I got the Hourglass. Did I do it? Oh, that's upside down. Okay, Hourglass Arch. And this is the Micro. And I use this. This is dark brunette, and actually that's the color I use too. So this will be a backup. That's very cool. Or I might give it, I don't know. My niece has like kind of my color hair. My one niece does. But she really has great eyebrows, so she doesn't need an eyebrow pencil. I'll just keep it for my backup. And then we have from Doucce, Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. So that's Doucce, I think. And let's see. Ooh. And that appears, yep, it is an eyeliner. I like the tip on it. It's a felt tip. I was playing with different shapes there. I like that. I'll have to give that a try. I'm still not real good at liquid eyeliners, but I am getting there. I'm bound and determined to. So anyway, that is okay. So you may know or not know that I use my phone to do my videos, and of course one of my sons just called me. I have no idea where I left off in my video, so we'll just pick up from here and hope that I can edit it together and make sense. Anyway, that was my BoxyCharm unboxing, and like I said, that's the basic box. I'm gonna leave the address for BoxyCharm on down below, and I'll list the products that I got and their retail value. Like I said, the base box is $25, so with everything I got, it was more than worth the $25, especially with the one thing being $135. I would never buy that on my own. So it's nice to get stuff like that that you can try out and just see what you think compared to whatever products you currently use that are similar. So and then, like I said, the Pure Shadow palette, I'm looking forward to trying, and I'm going to pull out the other one. That was also a BoxyCharm, and I'll do a good review of what I think of their eyeshadows. I'm a little iffy just touching it, like what I think of it, but we'll see how it turns out. So anyway, I hope you're having a good day wherever you are, or evening if that's when you're watching me. And until next time, ciao Bella.